May Allah's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you. Today is episode 2, the English version of our short reminder. And today we speak on one tradition of prophets of mercy, Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, in which he teaches us that if we partake in one action, Allah's paradise is ours on the day of Qiyamah. And he says, in a hadith reported in Sahih al-Jami, hadith number 7374, he says, La taghdab walakal jannah, meaning, do not become angry and Allah's paradise is yours. Do not be angry and Allah's Jannah is yours. Don't become angry and Allah's garden is yours. Why he directed us not to become angry is because of the fact that if you are angry, any action you have taken, definitely sooner or later you regret it. If you are angry, whatever you utter, you will regret it later. If you are angry, any action you have taken, you will regret that your action later. If you want to understand how ugly that anger is, look at yourself on a mirror if you are angry. You will see that you look very ugly, no matter how beautiful or handsome you are. And it is because of this, we are directed that if we control our anger, Allah's paradise is ours. The more we control our anger, the more the world becomes a better place for all. When you are angry, there are so many prophetic teachings that guide you on how to control it and regain your temper and manage yourself very well. Number one, the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, tells us that if you are angry, supplicate to Allah, pray to him. In a hadith in Sahih al-Jami al-Sagir, hadith number 695, he says, if you are angry, you supplicate by saying, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, or A'udhu billah, meaning I seek refuge with Allah from the Satan, from the devil. This is number one solution. Solution number two, he teaches us also that if you are angry, you should remain silent. In a hadith in Sahih al-Jami, hadith number 693, he says that if you are angry, keep silent, don't talk. If you talk, you regret later. Solution number three, he guides us by saying that if you are angry, while standing, sit down. If you sit down, that anger will go away. Solution number four, he tells us that if you sit down and you couldn't find a solution, lie down. By doing that, your anger will disappear. Solution number five, he guides us to look at the dangers of anger. What anger can lead you into. And this is very important indeed. Even medically, when you discuss with experts in health, they will tell you the dangers of anger on your health. There are many of them. Anger dangers your health, damages your health, and there are so many dangers of that. Anger leads you to hyperventilation. Anger leads you to high blood pressure. Anger leads you to thrombosis. Anger leads you to tachycardia. All these diseases, they can attack you because of anger. And anger can lead you sometimes even to diabetes. So it is because of this, we have been guided by the Prophet of Mercy that as long as we are not angry, Allah's paradise is yours. Why? Because anger leads us to so many destruction and dangers, and anger will make this world a worse place, while controlling our anger will make this world a better place for all. May Almighty guide us to control our anger and always be highly responsible in whatever we say, we do, or we act upon. May Allah's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you. Thank you for listening.